All right, so here we are on Wonder of the Seas, and this is going to be a tour of the Grand Suite 1712. And we're going to head inside. And we'll give you a quick roundabout tour right here, just to get a quick layout. And I'll show you everything that you get here on the Grand Suite. And first we'll start with the bathroom. And let's see if the lights are. And before I forget, right here next to the bathroom you have your temperature control. You can also control the blinds from here. So here you got your toilet, got your hand towels, you got a double sink, comes with the Moen and Gets lotions. Oh, you have some storage here underneath, drawers and shelving. There you go. And I believe these mirrors, yes, the mirrors also open up for more behind it. And then you have your tub and shower combo with this half door, which we'll never understand the half door, but I guess it's better than a curtain. And then you have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash from Moen and Gets. And that's the bathroom. And we're going to start off here. You got some closets right on the side from the door. You got your robes. You also have your safe, which is a very good size safe. Probably fit a small laptop there. And then we have the little setup area. Some more shelving right there. And more closets with your hangers and more shelving. You got your desk. Pull back there for you. See the desk area. We got our waters from being Diamond Plus and being Signature in the casino. And down here you got some drawers. And let's pull the chair out because they probably have some menus and stuff. There we go. Breakfast menus, mini bar. You have your Lavazza coffee maker. And here you got your hair dryer and some tissues. And then more shelving underneath. And here you got more closet space. There you go. And across from the desk you have the king size bed. And on each side you do have plugs and USBs. And hidden above the bed is a drop-down TV. So you can watch TV from bed because the TV on the other side does not swivel out and give you a good angle. Those are regular USBs, not USB-Cs, just so you know. And then you have this curtain here, because you can split this. Because here you have your couch, which also pulls out to a bed if you're having more than two people. You got your table. Got some nice plushy chairs in case you have more than two. And here you have your TV, interactive TV. You can see your account, watch some TV. It'll also tell you what's going on. You got more drawers down here, another desk area. With the Grand Suite, you do get a bottle of Evian water, and they will fill up your ice twice throughout the day. And down here you have your mini fridge or cooler, because it's not even cold right now, but it'll cool off. So there's the room once again, and then we will check out the balcony area. best part. And now let's head out to the balcony. Got plenty of space out here. You got 2 lounge type chairs. Got a table. Then you have a dining table that seats 4. Give you the wider look here. And back around the other way one more time. And so there you have it. Oh, that's too dark. This way. Yeah. So there you have it, folks. That was the Grand Suite 1712 right here on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a like. Please subscribe. It really helps us out. Leave some comments down in below. And let me know what other videos you want to see from Wonder of the Seas. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.